What is Audio? Basically, it's a tool that converts text to audio and vice versa. It has a website that allows us to, well, get one free use per day. They have pricing plans and more, okay? This is on their website, but the interesting part is that we can run it locally, right? It's open source. They provide online access if we don't have powerful enough hardware, but they offer intelligent sound synthesis, music generation, a professional effects library, high quality audio and real-time generation. These features are useful for video production, game development, podcasting, VR, and more. So that's the tool. All right, how can we set up Audio locally? First, I should mention it's a memory-intensive tool. Well, basically, we can go to Pinocchio warn about memory usage, as some people might not have a powerful enough device like me. But I can still show you how to run Audio locally as I have it here, okay? I'll delete it. In the platform, we'll click on Discover and search for Audio, all right? We'll select this one and click the blue button. Just like that, we'll proceed and start running this console, trying to get all the files without any issues. So there you have it. It's that simple. Let's say instead of using it locally, even though it's open source, we want to use it in the cloud because we don't have a powerful enough device. So we want to use Audio in the cloud, right? For that, we'll simply go to the official maudio.net website. We'll need to agree to their terms, which for new users offers a free daily trial, okay? Then we'll have access to text to audio, text to video, or we can upgrade through their pricing plan. How do you add sound to a video using Maudio? We'll start on the website where we can upload a file or directly input a video URL. Basically, we can upload a video up to 50 MB, though this one is 73 MB. It'll ask us to start and we get one free attempt per day. So keep that in mind. Now we'll select the video. This is a video to audio process. We'll add a prompt with music as the negative prompt. I don't want music added. By the way, here's the video. I got it from Pexels. It's just a girl kayaking on water, not much else. The cool part is describing this scene, so here's my prompt. I'll read it to you. Relaxing lake sounds with nature, crickets and birds singing at various distances, and gentle water noises. A girl in a kayak paddles once. The oar dips with a soft splash. Drops fall, water moves, the kayak glides slightly with a subtle creak. After paddling, gentle waves form and fade as the kayak gently rocks. A soft breeze rustles tree leaves, enhancing the sense of peace and nature. Well, it says to put this in English, so I'll do that. Now we'll generate the audio and wait. Here's the result. I'm not sure if you heard it well, but I'll tell you how it turned out. Now let's go to the water part. Wow, you can clearly hear the paddle leaving the water. I'll make sure you hear it. Oh, I have the desktop audio at maximum. You can hear birds and crickets. You can still hear her rowing, even though I said she only paddles once, but it's really well done. The prompt we used was also very good. This is how to use this tool. They say to save the file as it'll be deleted in an hour. So that's it. Pretty simple. Let's go to the audio text tool in Maudio. Basically, we go to audio text and simply insert the prompt here. So for the negative prompt, we'd put that we don't want music, for example. We'd use a prompt like this, okay? A relaxed atmosphere by a lake and so on. We'd click to generate the audio. As you can see, it's telling me to be quiet now. But how can we create the right prompt for a scene we want? Well, what I recommend is, if you don't want music, you can specify that. But first, define the space you're in. Are you at a lake? Are you in a church? The sound reverb will differ in each space. It's also key to specify how we want the environment defined. We can say we're at a lake, but a swampy lake is different. A lake isn't the same by day or night, nor with crickets or birds chirping, nor with fish or without, and so on. So our job is to define what we want as precisely as possible. Why? Because if we give AI too much creative freedom, it might produce incorrect results. But if we limit that creativity, we'll get an outcome that's much closer to what we want. So that's how you can approach it. How can we use the text to video tool with Audio? Basically, in Audio, we go to the text to video section at the top. And then what we're going to do is define the scene. And they'll generate both the scene and the sound. No. Well, they won't let me generate more, but here's an example. A stylish woman walking through Tokyo's streets with neon gloves. Ah, okay, with the city full of neon lights. She's wearing a black leather jacket, red dress, black boots, and carrying a black bag. If you hit play, there's no sound, just video of the woman walking, okay? So that's what this tool does, okay? I think it might not add sound, huh? Okay, maybe it doesn't add sound. Could be. Makes sense, and this video has no sound. So that's how we can use this tool. Or we can just use the Pro. We can set the aspect ratio. This would be horizontal, that vertical, and this Instagram format. The video we generate will appear here, okay? Not much else. Alright, now we're going to analyze MMAudio's payment plans. I must say, MMAudio is the first tool I've seen that can generate sound effects from video, and it doesn't do a bad job. Still, I know how complex such a tool can be, so I'll be tough in my assessment. The monthly price is $10 per month. Annually, it's $100, which gives you a $20 discount, and you get unlimited audio, text to audio, and audio processing, high quality AI generation, basic sounds, email support, max upload of 50 MB, which I really don't like, and they only support MP4 format. Advanced plan has unlimited everything, pro sound effects, priority processing, and no file size limits. I must say, even so, this tool isn't one where you can just insert a video without any prompt and expect it to work well, okay? In other words, you can't just input a silent movie and expect it to add all the sound effects perfectly. No way. The most you can do is send a video clip of a few seconds, specify exactly what's happening in that video, and hope it does a good job, and it does a fairly good job. So having unlimited space is nice, but at the same time, I think it'd be cool if the tool allowed multiple prompts. What do I mean by that? Well, if I'm uploading an hour-long video, I know they'll say, no way, we're rendering an hour-long video, not a chance. Okay, let's say I upload a 10-minute video, right? In those 10 minutes, or even in 1 minute, there can be different scenes. Maybe there are 5 or 6 different scenes. Let me define each scene individually instead of manually uploading clip by clip. So I could say right off the bat that $30 a month isn't worth it, okay? Not even close. But $10 a month might be interesting, right? It's worth considering if you don't have a powerful enough computer to use this tool yourself, since it's open source and all. Anyway, this is Maudio. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in future videos.